Hey everyone, welcome to CSAI. It's me Saugat Devkota, and this is the introduction video where I'll be talking a bit about myself and the motive behind starting this channel and how I'm going to manage my college life along with creating AI and ML content in this channel for you all. So first thing first, I'm from Nepal and I'm currently pursuing Bachelor's in Artificial Intelligence at Islington College, Kathmandu. Recently, I was honored with ING Undergraduate Scholarship, which is 3 years of full scholarship for my bachelor's degree. Something I'm really proud of and grateful for. My passion for artificial intelligence and machine learning started back in my plus 2 days where I was studying at College. I used to watch a lot of AI projects and always wonder how the people are actually doing this kind of stuff. That curiosity turned into my passion, and that passion led me choose AI as my career path. Now, I'm not pursuing this course just to stand out in a crowd or to show off a fancy title. My real goal is to create positive impact in my community and contribute to the world of technology by building something meaningful tools with the help of my knowledge and share everything I learned along with the way of my journey. The main motive of this channel is simple: to help students who can't afford paid courses but have that curiosity to learn in the field of AI and ML. Through this channel, I'll be sharing whatever I learned from my college classes, self-study, and personal projects in the most practical and beginner way friendly. I have decided to manage my YouTube career along with the studies of AI and ML. So as I grow, you will grow with me. Together, we will learn programming, mathematics, and all core skills which are required to be a AI/ML engineer, all step by step, straight from real coursebooks and hand-on experiments. I truly believe that with time, consistency, and effort, we will all become industry-ready AI/ML engineers, not just with theoretical knowledge, but with practical and real hands-on projects that actually matter in the industries. So, if you are curious about AI, coding, mathematics, or just started your learning journey, you are in the right place. Hit the subscribe button below and let's start our learning journey today. See you in the next video. For that time, bye bye. See you next time.